Hello and welcome to the Sewing Whisperer and another video in the pocket playlist. Today we're tackling the classic slant pocket, a versatile design often found in tailored trousers, but perfect for casual trousers and skirts too. If this is your first time here, don't forget to check out the other pocket tutorials in this series. Each one builds your skills step by step, whether you're brand new or brushing up. Want to sew along with me? You'll find a free downloadable pattern linked in the description below. Okay, let's get started. Print and cut the pattern, cut the pieces and mark all the notches. The front and facing are cut from the main fabric, the upper and under pocket bags from lining, and the reinforcement strip from fusible interfacing. The interfacing stabilises the slant line, which is cut on the bias and prone to stretching. If you're using a lighter fabric, the facing can be joined to the upper pocket bag and cut from the main fabric. Another pattern hack option is to join the two lining bags together to eliminate the seam down the edge of the bags. Apply the interfacing. Place the interfacing on the wrong side of the front piece, sticky side down. Press with a calico cloth above and below. This prevents the iron and board from getting sticky and saves you if you accidentally place the interfacing the wrong way up. Assemble the pocket bags. Pin the facing to the upper pocket bag with right sides together. Pin the under pocket bag to the front, right sides together along the slant line. Sew the under bag to the front, always with the interface side on top to prevent stretching. Trim the seam allowance. Then understitch by pressing the seam allowance towards the lining and stitching on the lining only. Join the front. Sew the side front to the upper pocket bag. Overlock and press the seam. Press along the slant line so no lining shows from the right side. Optional, you could edge stitch or top stitch along the slant for extra detail. Finish the pocket. Pin the slant to the facing, matching notches. Stay stitch the top and bottom of the pocket to hold in place. Fold the front away and stitch the bottom and side of the pocket bag. Overlock the edge of the pocket bag. Stay stitch the side and top of the pocket bag to the front. Final press. Give the pocket a thorough press, and that's it. You've completed a professional slant pocket. If you've been following along, let me know in the comments how your pocket turned out. I'd love to hear your feedback. Next up in the playlist are scoop and slant pockets sewn as patch pockets, so don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.